Oh man, this is your boy from the Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. Yeah, good morning, everybody. Good evening and good night, wherever you are, man. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, now we're talking again about Forex. This is another day to make that dough, make that dough, man. Make that dough rain on you, man. You know, that is the joy of being a Forex trader, man. The joy of being a Forex trader is when you see the dough raining on you. You know, you take your lot, you plant your seed, and you see the result. You start to see the result the next day. That is the joy of being a Forex trader, You just like a farmer that have a land and put a seed in, and the next day the seed started to grow. You started to see a great result. That's what makes you a good Forex trader, man. You understand? Patience. Patience is what pays in Forex. Patience. Nothing but patience. You don't get patience, Forex isn't for you. You got patience, Forex is yours, man. You know what I mean? So what are we talking about today? Because I know some people will be saying, hey, drop the signal quick. Drop it quick. Oh, yeah. Everybody wants the signal, but you don't want to know what the process leading to the signal. You know what I mean? Now, this pair in front of me now is the EURGBP, European Great Pound Dollar. Sorry, I say dollar. Sometimes I'm also nasty, EURGBP, European Pound. Okay, and what are we gonna do right now? Okay, we know the trend is now up. Okay, we've seen it gone up, shoot up from this low to this high, and then pull back down, and now doing this thing right here, dancing. It's dancing, or it's somersaulting, or doing frog jump around this zone. You see, it's doing frog jump. The EURGBP is somersaulting, doing frog jump right now. Consolidation. All right, it's consolidation. And this is the consolidation zone where we're going to buy into this trend. We're going to buy around this zone. EURGBP is right around here right now. And what we're going to do with this EURGBP, we're going to buy it now. A direct buy right now. And then the stop loss we're going to use is going to be like a 0.86 0.8602 or whatever. Wait, I don't know. Yeah, I think it's a 0.8602 or 0.8639, whichever these two stop loss is good. 0.8602 or 0.8639, which of these two stop loss is good? Okay, very good. You know the way we play the game. As we move on, you know what we always do? We shift to go and lock the break even. Now, what about the take profit level? we do target 400 pips, So, if the price is now on 0.8749, 0.8749. So our take profit target is going to be, let's say, 0.87, 0.88, 89, 90, 91. So we're going to 0.9149. That is your take profit level. 0.9149. 0.9149. That is the take profit level we are going. 400 pips. So what you need to do is just calculate the best lot size that is good for you. Don't be greedy. Okay, Watch the video again and again. Put your stop loss where I told to put it, and put your take profit where I said put it. This is AURGBP. Buying, buying, buying. 400 pips take profit shoot up is expected. This is your big boy, Forex Strategy Factory, aka Forex Wizard 666. Don't forget that below this video, there's a link to an ebook that will teach you what you need to know about Forex and why you need to know what the price is doing and why it's doing it. Your boy is signing out right now. You understand? Signing out right now. And we will drop the next video when we get the next signal. And this is the reason why you need to go subscribe to this channel and push the notification bell and stay tuned until we drop the next signal. Yeah, Forex Wizard 666 signing off. Bye-bye.